to Sound of Mercy, and I am your girl Ugochi aka Cat. And today's icon of the week section is Gift to Ugochi Christopher.
I'll make room for two, you and I, Jesus.
Best known as Minister GUC, all the way from River State in Nigeria. GUC is a multi-genre gospel music minister based in Port Harcourt, where he enrolled in 2013. Well, GUC has crossed the border, spreading life-transforming gospel through his music. He started his gospel ministry with a few friends, including Ugochi and Emma, naming just a few. He has ministered in various major gospel events all around the state of Nigeria. He also has an online forum where he mentors young music ministers, where he shares all his experience in the field. In 2019 to 2020 was a big major upliftment for him as he landed a record label deal owned by Ezekiel, thank God, and he was nominated for an upcoming Maranatha Award in USA. As his song All That Matters was streaming more than 1 million times globally, which was a big breakthrough for him. GUC has released a series of gospel singles which many Christians testify to be divine, including Desperate, Thank You, You Know, Truth, and many more. That's all for GUC. So I am your girl Ugochi aka Cat. Please make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, you share. See you next week when we talk about the next icon of the week.
SOM, Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.